Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make pixel font using an easy method. We'll begin by selecting the right tools, focusing on simple, grid-based software that makes pixel art straightforward. Then, we'll set up our canvas, typically a small square like 8 by 8 or 16 by 16 pixels, which is perfect for maintaining that classic pixelated look. This foundational step ensures your font has a consistent and authentic feel from the very start, making the entire process much smoother. Now, let's dive into crafting your individual characters. It's best to work within a monospaced grid, meaning every character occupies the same width, which is crucial for pixel fonts. Carefully design each letter, number, and symbol, paying close attention to every single pixel. Remember to leave at least 1 pixel of space between adjacent characters to prevent them from blending together. This meticulous approach ensures your font remains highly readable and visually appealing. Once your characters are designed, the next step is to refine their spacing. Proper kerning and tracking are vital, even for pixel fonts, to ensure words flow naturally and are easy to read. After fine-tuning, you'll export your font, typically as a true type font or open type font file, making it widely compatible. Finally, test your new pixel font thoroughly in different programs and at various sizes to confirm it looks perfect and functions as intended across all platforms. To ensure your pixel font stands out, here are some best practices. Always maintain a consistent pixel size across all characters. This uniformity is key to the pixel art aesthetic. Don't be afraid to experiment with different grid dimensions, such as a 5 by 7 or 8 by 8 grid, to achieve unique styles. Most importantly, continuously review your font for legibility, especially at smaller sizes, as clarity is paramount for any functional typeface. These tips will help you create a professional and charming pixel font.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.